Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to build a kit. So I'm just going to reach into this. The box is full of kits. I don't know, there's about maybe 10 or 12 of them in there that I've collected over some time. And I'm just going to reach in there and mix them up and grab one. Okay. This one. All right. Well, okay, this one here is a special case. I think I've had this one forever. And I don't know what it is. So, well, let's take a look at it. Alrighty. No instructions, no schematic, no nothing. What do we have here? Looks like there's a whole pile of switches, some discrete components, and a couple of ICs. The ICs are apparently a CD4066 and a CD4011. And there's this, which, oh, okay, so this is some sort of chip on board thing. It looks like it might go in this slot here like this. Huh. I wonder what these two things are for. Do they have to be connected up as well? I have no idea. This could get interesting. Is there anything identifying this at all on here? Okay, so there we have some information on the back there. It says www.yqdiy.com 120106. Well, let's go on the web and try and see if we can find out what this is. Okay, let's see if we can find out something about this little board here. www, what does it say there? www.yqdiy.cn. This site can't be reached. Okay. Should we try? Well, we're not getting very far with this. Ah, okay. That's better. So it looks like here we have 16 sound music box electronic kit, IC station. And there's a schematic. So, okay, that looks good. Parts list. Awesome. So that's what it is. It's a 16 sound music box. Okay, well, let's put it, well, they don't look like music sounds. Machine gun voice, fire truck voice, ambulance voice, and there's no off. Voice of racing cars passing by. All right. Yeah, they mention a capacitor, but they don't show it. What would they see? I don't see it anywhere here. Yeah, it's not there, but it definitely came in the bag that I have. I'm guessing it's just going to be a bypass capacitor, so I'll just put it across the power supply. Maybe from here to here. Sounds good to me. Let's print this out and we'll build this thing. It seems like this other diode right here, that's missing. I don't see it in amongst the parts here. I wonder how many other parts are missing. I guess I should have looked at all the parts before I started. But anyway, they've specified, for some strange reason, a 1N4007, which is a diode with 1,000 volt peak inverse voltage. A little bit over spec for this, but that's fine. I happen to have some, so I'll put one in. There we go. It goes the same orientation as the other ones. All finished. Let's hook it up to some power and see what damage we can do with it. This should work. Plus, minus, all that. Oh, there we go. I don't know how useful this thing is, but it could be a diversion. So other than a couple of parts missing and absolutely no instructions coming with it, I was able to get online. It seems to be gone. It's yqdiy.cn, but it did bring up a reference to this, and then I got the name of it, Googled that, and the name of it is a 16-tone electronic module, and got a little bit more information as I went along that way, and finally got enough information to actually build the thing, get it working. Now, it looks like these the binary inputs are also available here, so you could actually hook this up to a microcontroller of some sort to produce sound. But I don't know if there's any way of stopping it from making sound. It has 16 different combinations, and none of them are off. So I guess you would have to maybe turn off power to it and to shut it up, but other than that, you could use it as a sound module to go along with an Arduino project of some kind, and it would be very handy for that. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.